So we have uh,
Go ahead, please.
okay.
Go ahead.
The rainwater, rain walk for a purpose and a natural farming trip. We helped Rotrack Interville Reserve got the opportunity to help the Western Railway with their initiative of Swachhata by promoting a Swachhata Mova app and Arogya Setu app. Moving forward, I would like to make you all aware about the achievements that our department made in various events that were conclude inter and intra college. They were we won Best CL Award in Investor Fest Award, which was organized by BIM department. We won second runner-up award of Best College in Award Prodigy, which was organized by Lala Rajpat Rai College. We won Best CL Award in Prava event, which was organized by Nagindas Khandwala Colleges. We won Best CL as well as Best Department Award in Insurance event, which was organized by BCom department. We won Best College Award in Telenzia, which was organized by Tolani College. We won Best CL and Best Department Award in Be a Banker event, which was organized by BBI event. We won Best CL Award and Best Department Award in Bharat Ki Azadi event. It was organized by BBI. This all was possible only because of our supportive batchmates, seniors and juniors who were with us during each of the event and helped us to achieve all these titles. So we look forward to this year. We maintain the legacy of our web department and winning. So thank you everyone. Best of luck for your new journey and welcome to our web Parivar. I would like Shivam to play our web anthem. Shivam.
शिवम तेरा नाम ले रहे?
निशिकांत झा यानी मैं टीसीएससी के समस्त डिपार्टमेंट को साक्षी मानकर ये शपथ लेता हूं कि वेब डिपार्टमेंट का सर कभी नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
परिवार साम्राज्यम निशिकांतम अजेहम सभी डिपार्टमेंट है यहाँ सब देते इसको समान सच्चाई और चतुराई टीचर्स की जान खाई धन्य धन्य है मिस रुचिका गवास्करे और सादिके परिवार के दीवाने सदा यूं ही गगन चूमे डांस और बैंड मिलके सबको करते ये पराजय
Thank you, Jimesh. I would like to tell Sanya to continue with her web smile.
Thank you, Vinayak.
Yes, indeed, this was an amazing BAF anthem by the BAF department. Moving forward, I would like to introduce the FYs to BAF Smile. With the guidance and support of Nishikant sir and all the faculty of BAF department, we have an opportunity to conduct BAF Smiles on every Saturday. Basically, in BAF Smile, we call our alumni for BAF Smile lecture, and they help our students, guide them for various other courses like CA, CS, MBA, and many other courses. We feel ourselves privileged and a lucky department because with the help of Nishikant sir and constant support of Nishikant sir and the entire BAF department, we have an opportunity that we get to attend BAF Smile lectures, which is conducted for the betterment and success for our students. Thank you. Last but not the least, I would like to call the BAF band department for their amazing sound. Thank you.
Legends never die when the world is calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you play for reaching greatness, relentless, you survive. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, they'll ride into smoke when the fire is fierce. No, pick yourself up, 'cause legends never die when the world's calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you bleed for reaching greatness, legends never die. Nandini Nandini Vedini Vinodini Nandinude Arvinda Shirudini Vasini Vishnu Dasini Vishnunude Bhagavati Siddhi Kutumbini Bhuri Krude Jaya Jaya Mahishasur Mardini Mardini Shanute Aigiri Nandini Nandini Vishnu Vinodini Nandinude Giridhar Vishnu Shirudini Vasini Vishnu Dasini
प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी। बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, वे मैं जाऊं वारी वारी। मोहे सुध बुध ना रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं, दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी। तेरे नाम से जीऊं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जीऊं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, बन गई मैं, बन गई मैं, ओ दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। वे मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, वे मैं दीवानी, मैं मस्तानी, गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं, वे मैं तीन मैं दीवानी, तेरे नाम से जीऊं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या डाला, मर गई मैं, मर गई, ओ दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी।
So I guess everyone enjoyed this jam session. I can see that in the chat box. Thank you everyone for your comments. I will pass on this compliments to the band team. Sure. But moving forward, I guess you should not only see our cultural performances, but also you should meet our graduates, the just past graduates, alumni of yours who scored such a great marks and are at a very good success now. So I would request my senior Rohan Hegde to come upon and speak few words for our juniors.
So, hello everyone. So this is Rohan Hegde. I'm here to speak tell my experience about the degree life. So it was amazing. मतलब हम लोग का तो offline था पहली बार. तो we enjoyed it. Offline में मतलब ऐसा नहीं, we enjoy मतलब ऐसा नहीं, हम लोग we used to participate in different events. We used to participate in intra college and intra college. मतलब कॉलेज में भी इवेंट्स था, कॉलेज के बाहर भी इवेंट्स था, एंड वी यूज्ड टू एंजॉय इट. तुम लोग एक तो एडवांटेज ऐसा है कि यू विल गेट द सर्टिफिकेट्स और एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा तुम लोग को पार्टिसिपेट किया. और अगर दूसरे कॉलेज में जाके पार्टिसिपेट करते हो ना, यू मीट न्यू पीपल, वहाँ पे मजा आता है. और कभी आप जीत के आते हो ना अपने कॉलेज में, यू मेक अ डिपार्टमेंट प्राउड, और वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि हम लोग सिर्फ इवेंट्स, कल्चरल इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, हम लोग का एकेडमिक्स भी अच्छा था. यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन कल्चर एंड एकेडमिक्स same. So this was my experience, total overall experience about my degree life. So I will be giving the stage to Megha, who will be experience बताएगी. Megha.
Hello everyone. My name is Megha Patel and I was the alumni for this year. And yes, my experience with BAF and especially with Nishikant sir, he always try to push me and like to try to new something very I was a girl, I didn't do any cultural activities for the first year, but yes, that the thing I regretted. And from the second year I started taking participate, and yes, it was a great experience that we participate in the various cultural event, inter-college event, even in the FIFO and freshers party that you have. And yes, apart from that, you have to always be go with your studies, try to maintain and balance it. That's it. Now I would like to hand over to Shreya.
They unmute, Peter. You are on mute, man.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes,
Okay.
Peter, yes.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Shreya Ishar. I'm currently working in Asian Paints as a taxation officer. It's nice to meet you all, and it's all thanks to all my teachers, Nishikant sir especially, who has always guided me everywhere. And my journey with Thakur has been amazing. I have been constantly nurtured, supported, encouraged, and inspired by everyone. I'm grateful for everything I received here, which was not restricted to knowledge, but growth in every aspect of my life. And as everyone might be aware, college for us ended during the lockdown, and in fact, many were concerned about the placements. But regardless, the Thakur placement cell did really well, because of which I am where I am right now. So this alone speaks a lot about the college. I would ask you all to go ahead, participate in each and every place possible, and learn more and more from everywhere. That's the most important thing. And don't worry, all the teachers are there for you, especially Nishikant sir is always there for you no matter what. He's just one call away most of the time. So yeah, it's going to be great for you all. And now I would like to hand over to Madhu for going ahead.
Yeah. Hello everyone. So this is Madhu Ramaswamy and I've been the cultural leader for the year 2019-20 and lady representative for the year 2020-21. So yeah, everything has been said from my colleagues. not colleague, from my friends, Rohan, Megha, and Shreya. One thing I would like to mention that yeah, balance is very important. Not only you have to focus on your academic, but also cultural part, because there is where you will learn how to communicate with people, how to build confidence and all. Answer doesn't know anyone. He will throw opportunity for you guys, and it's on you now how you grab it and how you work with it. So yeah, all the best for your future, guys. Do well and enjoy yourself. That's it. Now I hand it over to Sir.
No, Ashutosh is yet to go. Ashutosh,
Hello, good evening.
yeah, your research experience.
Yeah, so my name is Ashutosh Jadeja. I was a technical head in SYBEF and research head in TY. I have written lots of national and international level paper with Nishikant sir and various other teachers. My experience was such a great, and they are always. I'm very sure every one of you is blessed with one of the best teachers in the world. They are very helpful. Even if anyone has any doubts or regarding anything, you can ask your teacher, obviously. But even if you want to ask me in some any other experience, I'm just sharing my Insta ID in chat. You can anytime text me. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhu, and thank you all my alumni. Dear student, let me give certain things about them. Ashutosh is working with Asian Paints with a package of 6.5 lakhs. Priya, along with them, there is one student of that who has got 10 lakhs package, and they have not received their grade card yet. Okay, Megha is my topper. Okay, Madhu and Rohan is my leader. These are only few which, because we have very limited time restriction, few gems of PCSC of 2021 batch. Likewise, we want to see you when your send off will be there or the new batch will come. Of course, this is just an induction program. That's why we wanted to have the induction of everything. It's not only the faculty has to run the show. It's my student who is running the show. Of course, my faculty makes them, builds them such a way that they are leaders for any corner of the world. We have produced everything with us. Ashutosh, myself, and one student has going and already patenting our research with Government of Australia. So I think this is, you will not get in any of the college. It's beyond four wall. It's beyond whatever we can say that your syllabus and all. But it is a formal thing which I need to take only 5 minutes of yours, because for which you are here in BAF as a BAF Parivar. So I'll start from here, because you are one of the best course of University of Mumbai in this induction program, which is really in very much of demand. It's not me, all the newspapers say you are one of the best universities in entire India, and you are one of the best college in entire India. And this is one of the best programs which you have opted for. Okay, and these are few gems who have witnessed whatever I am stating. It's of course specialized course. It will definitely going to acquire you job. And believe me, these children, Madhu or Rohan, might be the CL. But for me, one is doing ACCA, one is doing CIMA. These are international programs. Many of my students are doing CA. I mean, CA, CS तो regular है, हमारे लिए कोई नई चीज है. And these children are going for global universities. There are universities which we have tied up. After 2 years, FY and SY, you can directly join few of the universities in Australia, US, and Canada directly with our grades. Your entire credit will be transferred. This will not get in any of the programs, in any of the college. This is only the Thakur gift. Of course, these are your syllabus. I will ask you to go to the revised syllabus, because in autonomy, we have revised the syllabus. It's available on the website, and it is as per the industry's norm. It is as per the world required. Of course, the requirement is 45, but our cutoff went to 80%. So this is how the demand ratio. For this 246, we got almost 2,000 applications for this particular program. So try to understand these are the areas where you can work. Like Shreya stated very clearly that she is working as a taxation head. Similarly, Asutosh is doing. And definitely this is not the limit. इनका पैकेज 6, 6.5 लाख 10 लाख का लिमिट नहीं है. मैं अपने बच्चों को 40, 50, 60 लाख के पैकेज में देखना चाहता हूँ. It will be very much feasible for them. This will be your examination pattern, which you will be going to face in the days to come. This will be your grading system. Okay, 80% and above जितने भी बच्चे आएंगे O grade में आएंगे. आप जाके देखो मेरे majority of the students are in O grade. These are the teaching methodology which we are using. E-learning, mobile learning, सारा चीज. I mean, it is a blended learning. हम सारे चीज पे believe करते हैं. Okay, modern and traditional way. These are quite a few things which have been already taken care by your seniors. Of course, the IB will be the most interesting part. We take you to the industries to understand how the industries work. May it be big industry, may it be small and medium industry. And not only teaching, but also we groom the students. We make them, as per the industry's requirement. And that is why, as they have stated in lockdown also, we have got highest package. And most of the students of BAF have got this opportunities. Okay. This is all about from our end. Don't forget this lady, which is behind all the scene. Okay. Our respected principal ma'am, उनकी वजह से सब कुछ है और ये सारी चीजें आपको आपके आने वाले लाइफ में मिलेगा. This I did not have to ask today because of time constraint. These are quite a few students who have achieved their goals. There is also there few of Asutosh वगैरह का भी था, but these are the students of BAF who is working for different companies and in different countries. These are the students who have got international degrees. These are the students who have got CA degrees. These are the students who have done MBA. Many of them, they are pilots. Many of them, they are there in aviation of field. C is one who has completed IS exam for Government of India. And finally, we want that you have a very satisfactory social life, happy married life with very good package. These are the entrepreneurs. Sports wise also, acting wise also, your BAF family rocks. Thank you. This is all about from my end. Now I will ask and of course, kindly, I'll request my team member to introduce themselves. I'm the HOD. I'll ask other team members to, 4 team members, Ruchi, Nikita, Pradeep, and Akhil.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening, everyone. And to all the newcomers, I would say that is F5 BAF. Welcome to BAF Parivar. It's after Nishikant Jha. It's me, one of the senior teachers in BAF. Okay, so we will be meeting next year because this year I don't have any subject with you. So hopefully see you next year. But yes, we will be meeting, we will be connecting through our events, activities, examinations, results, everything. Okay. Over to Pradeep sir.
Yes, good evening, dear students. Welcome to TCSE BAF family. And I'm taking financial accounting in first year, taxation in second year, and will meet you regularly. At any time, you can contact me 24/7. I'm available. Even, yeah, thank you.
Nikita, over to you.
Hello, good evening everyone, and welcome to BAF Parivar. And I'm very excited and I'm hoping that you will be like your seniors. The way they are participating and the way they are active, I'm expecting the same from you. Currently, I'm teaching for A division and I'm the class teacher of A division. But yeah, I'm wanting that I will be meeting all of them and everyone together will be working as a team, all the 3 batches. So all the best to you. Thank you.
Akhil,
Hello, good evening, everybody. One thing I want to tell you, I'm also new in the college. There was some program I want to share with you, Dr. Jas. You know, when I went for an interview, last time, as I told you, like, you know, it was such an amazing personality at the same time, so cooperative. I'm new in college, I guess 3 or 4 month or 2nd or 3rd month, I guess. But teachers here are fantastic, so cooperative. They're amazing people. Again, I welcome you in my TCSC BAF family. And one more thing I want to add. When I started my first lecture, I told like there are other batches in the BBI and other batches that I'm in trouble with my accent or sometimes my pace. But the responses, I never had to compromise in the pace and my accent, and the responses from all the classes. I'm talking about all the batches of combined. I'm not BAF only, but this is amazing, and I really, when I deliver a lecture, it's amazing experience, and especially you know that I'm a class teacher of C division, and I guess you guys also might be enjoying my lecture. I don't know, but from your company is amazing, and I welcome you again, and I'm looking forward for the best journey which ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nishikant sir, and my entire BAF core team members. Thank you.
Thank you, my core team. This is all 4 pillar of my, जिसके बीच पे पूरी इमारत खड़ी है, और ये छोटे छोटे मेरे बच्चे हैं जिनको ब्रिक्स बना के मैंने इतनी बड़ी महल का निर्माण किया है। और ये सारे बच्चों के लिए जो आज नए आए हैं उनके लिए मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा बिफोर हैंडिंग ओवर टू नुपुर एंड ग्रुप। वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपना तकदीर बदल दे। वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपना तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे। ये हमारे बच्चे हैं जो वक्त को चेंज करते हैं। आज हमारे कॉलेज में जो 10 लाख का पैकेज है, इतने सारे बच्चे पेटेंट, आई थिंक आपने कहीं नहीं सुना होगा। मेरे को भी मोर देन 2 डिकेड्स हो गया टीचिंग, लर्निंग एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में। ये सारी चीजें आप बच्चों की बदौलत है, और जैसा सारे मेरे टीम मेंबर ने बोला, आपके तीनों क्लास टीचर यहाँ हैं, ये हम लोग सब मिलके ऐसी चीज को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जिसमें हमारे एलुमनाई भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, हमारे सीनियर्स बच्चे भी सपोर्ट करते हैं। टीचर्स तो जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट करता है, दैट्स इट। और मुझे पूरा यकीन है ये बैच भी मुझे कुछ ना कुछ अलग देके जाएगा। विद दिस नोट, अगेन मोस्ट वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू बैफ परिवार। जो नहीं आए उनको प्लीज हमारा मैसेज दे देना कि दे ऑल आर वेलकम एज अ फैमिली। इसलिए मैं एज अ परिवार की बात करता हूँ जिसमें सब है हम लोग, और अपने फैमिली को वर्ल्ड लेवल पे लेके जाना है। ओवर टू यू नुपुर।
थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड अदर टीचर्स टू। आप लोगों से सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि हमको कितनी ज्ञान मिली है, सब आप लोगों से ही मिली है। तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारी चीजें कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए हमारे जूनियर्स आ गए हैं। हम हमेशा उनको हेल्प करने के लिए, सपोर्ट करने के लिए, गाइड करने के लिए अब सिर्फ उनका साथ ही है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोई FY हमारा उठ के आए, सामने कुछ बोले, एटलीस्ट इतनी चीजें हमने उनको बताई अपने बैफ के बारे में। मुझे ये देखना है कि उनका क्या आइडिया है हमारे बैफ के बारे में, उन्होंने क्या क्या सोचा है अपने 3 साल के जर्नी के लिए। Any FY or any fresher willing to come up and speak something? You expect this, you expected that, or you'll do this, you'll do that, by listening all these.
I expect nice bonding with seniors.
Shraddha, was that you?
Yes, I was.
Okay. So soon. काश हम मिल पाए ऑफलाइन तो पक्का बहुत बड़ा बॉन्डिंग बन जाएगा, पर ऑनलाइन में भी हम बना लेंगे. Anyone else?
Students, why don't you keep your video modes on? It would be really lovely to see you.
Yes,
Interaction
yeah,
is
we want
really
to
nice.
see some young faces.
Yeah.
With cute smiles, pretty faces.
हाँ, young मतलब
सर मतलब हम तो छोटे हैं ना सर.
नहीं सर, आपको भी यंग में हमने कंसीडर कर दिया.
हाँ, आप दिख रहे हैं ना हमें सर, हमें उनको देखना है.
Thank you everyone.
नया
Very
टैलेंट
nice.
को भी बता सकते हैं.
ये देखो, यही लोग आपको लीडर बनाएंगे. ये जो आपके सीनियर्स है, दे विल गिव यू द राइट पाथ. आपने कोई भी कोर्स करा हुआ है, soon we are going to forward their details. आप उनसे हेल्प मांगो, because they all have achieved many things in their life and very short span of time. इसलिए हमने कोई hypothetical चीज नहीं करी है. जो हमारे सामने में है, हमने आपको उनसे रूबरू करवाया है. I think Nupur, we have one more cultural. इन लोगों को डांस गाना ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. But don't worry, this is not your pressure. There will be a pressure which entire seniors is going to arrange for you guys. And same way
Yes,
you have
this
to
is
give them
just
the
your
credit.
orientation where you get to know what your BAF is. जशन को अभी टाइम है, उसके लिए सब्र करो.
और हम पर्सनली एक बार आएंगे भी आप लोग को मिलने के लिए, जूम मीटिंग भी ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे जहाँ पर हम आपसे आके बात भी करेंगे. हमें पता भी चलेगा कि कौन क्या करता है, कौन कैसे करता है. हमारा काम ही है आपको गाइड करना, तो हम यहाँ पर आपके लिए ही बैठे.
And one more thing, academically we are very strong. हमारा ही बच्चा है, we always give 100 out of 100 in few subjects by few students. We give best placement. Our many student is doing Indian and international professional program, and they are clearing along with the all things. ऐसा नहीं कि ACCA कर रहा है या CA कर रहा है तो बैक का रिजल्ट खराब होगा. सब जगह बेस्ट है. भगवान ने मुझे पता नहीं अच्छे से बच्चे या फिर हम उनको बना सकते हैं. It is just vice versa. So we have thank you very much. In the chat box also we are very connected with them. So I think Nupur, we have certain events for them. तो डांस वगैरह वाला है अपने पास?
Yes sir. हमारा छोटा पैकेज है, छोटा पैकेज.
एंड मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये जो बैंड इवेंट है ना, हमारा YouTube चैनल इसके पहले नहीं बजा है. इन लोगों ने 1-2 दिन में ये तैयार किया है. आपको आपके सीनियर के लिए बहुत ज्यादा थैंक्स बोलना चाहिए. दे आर इन SY and TY, और आपके छोटे से प्रोग्राम के लिए उन्होंने कितनी रिहर्स करी रहेगी, रिकॉर्ड करी और फिर आपके लिए दिया. ऑफ कोर्स विद द लीडरशिप ऑफ नुपुर एंड विनायक.
Thank you sir.
And we all are there in the one floor. 6th floor पूरा BAF परिवार का है. तो one room SY, FY, TY, तो इंटरकनेक्टिविटी बहुत इजी रहेगा. सारे एक दूसरे को हेल्प करेंगे.
और हम होप करते कि 1 नवंबर से चालू हो जाए, तो ऑफलाइन मिलेंगे तो और मजा आएगा और अच्छा बॉन्डिंग हो सकता है. तो बस यही एक लास्ट होप है कि 1 नवंबर से चालू हो बस.
Let's see.
Let's go for the last event. We have very little time.
Technical Jimesh, I would like you to play the video of the dance please.
और गाइस थोड़ा आवाज करो, थोड़ा एकदम मजा मस्ती बताओ. चैट्स में एकदम भर दो चैट, कोई नहीं चलेगा. ये तुम लोग के लिए इवेंट
बता तुझसे वास्ता तू मंजिल है और तू ही उस मंजिल के आगे का रास्ता दिलदारा दिलदारा ये रखती करता जग सारा दिलदारा ये नजर कदम के सब
इतनी हसीनों पे कितनी दफा ये डोला फिर भी फकीरों का पहने हुए है चोला इधर की शीशी है जहाँ भी खुल जाए हवा में भूल जाए दिल जोगीदार फन मौला
साथ समंदर पार गई मैं सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर करके थक गई मैं ओ सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी का जीना फिर तो है जाना तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए दिल ये बताना एक पल का जीना फिर तो है जाना तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए दिल ये बताना खाली हाथ आए थे हम खाली हाथ जाएंगे बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंस क्योंकि दुनिया को है हंसाना है मेरे दिल तू गाए जा
So I guess you all got a gist what is BAF cultural. डांस देख लिया, गाना देख लिया, एंथम सुन लिया. अभी ये तो टीजर था, ट्रेलर भी मिलेगा और मूवी भी मिलेगी. सबर करो.
एक चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, ये छोटे से हमारे जो फैमिली मेंबर है उसमें से अप्रॉक्स 50 बच्चे रहेंगे कल्चरल में, और यही 50 बच्चे बेस्ट कॉलेज का अवार्ड लाते हैं. दे फाइट विथ एंटायर कॉलेज और विथ नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज विथ द स्टडी. मैं साल में सिर्फ 1 महीने इनको ये सब काम के लिए देता हूँ, और इसमें पिछले तकरीबन 6-7 साल से वी गॉट मेनी कॉलेजेस एज अ बेस्ट कॉलेज. All credit goes to my children, and whatever we are today, it's all because of my students. So great thanks to my student. मेरे को भी नहीं पता था, मैंने सिर्फ इन लोग को बोला था ऐसा इवेंट करना है, कल ही बताया. ठीक है, एक दिन में इन लोगों ने अगर इतना अच्छा किया है, I think sky is the limit. May it be academic, may it be cultural, और आपने इनसे सीखना है, ये आपको अच्छा बनाएंगे. हम लोग को सिर्फ ज्ञान देंगे, हमको थोड़ा सिखाएंगे.
हमें तो 2 मिनट्स का नूडल बनना है, जैसे ही बोला खत्म बस.
मेरे को पता था किससे क्या काम करवाना है. So with entire team, we with a great journey of 21-22 and forever of your life. जैसे आप ये हमारे परिवार के हिस्सा है, आप भी हमारे परिवार का हिस्सा forever रहेंगे. Please give this communication to all your students. Ruchi, can we wind up?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because another event is lined up. That's why.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, my entire team of BAP, my core team of BAP, Ruchi, Pradeep, and all. My children, हम लोग ये 4 पिलर के ऊपर ये बेस बना है. ये 4 लोग ज्यादा ध्यान देंगे because of my other commitment as a vice principal. मैं कम ध्यान दूंगा, लेकिन ये सारे बच्चे कनेक्टेड हैं और कनेक्टेड रहेंगे मेरे से. आपको बेस्ट टीचर हमने दिया हुआ है, मेंटोर दिया हुआ है एंड सारे टीएल्स दिए हुए हैं. यस, डेफिनेटली इट इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम हमने इतना अच्छा इवेंट आपके लिए किया. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू ऑल द सीनियर्स दैट दे हैव पुट एंटायर एफर्ट्स टू देयर जूनियर्स. Entire team of mine, Ruchi and other members, Rikita, Pradeep and Akhil, other teachers also who are teaching in my department. Dear student, your journey will be an interesting journey and will shape up your life that you will have great personal and social life in days to come. With this note, I wanted to wind up. Ruchi, if you want to say something. So bye, take care. See you on Monday for your regular lecture. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you everyone. Sir, others are lined up for their event.
Yeah. Ma'am, we should wind up.
Bye bye.